And I'm back, baby. Today is steel cutting placement arrangement day. I'll show you what I got so far. So I was here yesterday and I laid down some 3/4 minus, got that nice and compacted. I wanted myself to have a nice flat surface for this patio to lay on. And now I am working on my steel, aka rebar placement. This thing is loaded up with steel. And I created myself a little cheat sheet so I know what I'm working with here, how many pieces I need, what my approximate dimensions are per piece, and yeah, fun stuff. Never done this before, but I'm using a rebar breaker and a rebar bender. Check it out. First time ever using one of these. What this thing is legit speeds up the process quite a bit and does a pretty good job. I'll give you an example. First time ever doing this, like I said, so let me know as we go. But I need a hook, so I'm going to place this in here on my mark, doing 6-inch bends. So 6-inch tails, excuse me. So pull this down. This one's a little bit long. Sorry, I didn't have a mark on it. But so I got my 90. Not too shabby. Look at that. And you put it back in here, push it forward, and get ready to do your hook, because that's what I need. I need about 20 of these hooks. Pull this down and bingo! It's like straight from the factory. Normally I get these pre-bent, but I have like 400 linear feet of rebar that I need to put into this thing, and I have a lot of hooks, so I figured I'd just do it myself. Here we go. The number 4 rebar is a pain to break with the bender, breaker, cutter. So bringing out the big guns. I got like 100 linear feet to cut, all 4 inches, 48 inches. So You do the math. But time to get to work. $80 more feet to go. Can I do it? That's it. Wasn't that bad. Now line them up. Let's go. All right, party people. Everything is done. I've got all my straights, all my hooks, all my fours, all my threes, all my threes, all my fours. It's all laid out. I just got to tie it together, make it look pretty, lift it up, minimum 3 inches, and this thing's ready to pour. I do have some waterproofing membrane that I have to put on my sill plate, but as far as rebar goes, this thing's dialed. Check it. Got a little bit of tying to do, like I said, and it's gonna look freaking awesome once I'm done. And that will be the last glimpse I share with you all before this thing has 8.5 inches thick ass concrete on top of it. Don't bleep that out. I'm pumped I'm done here. Let's go.